Okay, just wanted to highlight a few intraday charts from today. It's nice to be back trading again. We kind of sat on the sidelines, pointed out a few interesting plays over the holidays, but volume was too low to make anything official. So it was nice to be back in the chat room and finding stuff with some volume to trade. And here's we had several intraday charts that set up real nicely for us because remember, everything we do has got to have a low risk entry. In other words, if it doesn't work, where does our stop go that makes sense on the chart? And if it's not close, we're not going to take it. So SOLF, Solar Fund Power Holdings. These are 5-minute candles from today. It spiked and hit it. We like the daily chart a lot. So this thing hit 565 early. We generally don't trade in the early going, in the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. But once it hit this early high, 565, pulled back. Again, we like the daily a lot. So then when it came back up near here, we said 566, stop below 543 at the worst, preferably maybe 545. So about a 20-cent risk per share, that is. Hit 566 and made its way all the way up to a 637 for a 12% profit potential today. Another nice one, BYD, Boyd Gaming. We like the daily on it. It hit 507 early. Then after it went sideways, we called it somewhere around here. We said if it gets to 508, we'll buy it. Stop at 495. So what are you talking, 13 cents there? And from 508, it ended up closing very strong. Went all the way to 577. I'm sorry, 507 was the trigger. Hit 506 early. So 507 to 577. 13% profit potential there. Dry ships, which everybody and their mother was watching today, very strong on the daily, put in this long sideways base. So when it started getting strength here, we called it over this early high. So 1380 we said, with a stop at 1360. And in about 15-20 minutes all the way to 1444. And as we always teach, you scale out, take profits on the way up, and anything you have left, if you don't sell all of it, you move your stop break even or in the green on the last half or quarter, however you want to break it up. So we don't let any winners turn into a loser. And Sprint, the letter S. We had this on watch as a potential breakout over $2.02, I believe. But after it hit $1.95 early and then went sideways, when it started getting strength, we said at $1.96 this could work. Stop literally as close as 7 cents away, $1.88, or below the low of the day at worst, $1.87. So 8 or 9 cents was your worst case scenario there that you had at risk, and hit $1.96, and it didn't take too long to go to 230 for a 17% profit potential today on that one. So some real high percentage profit potentials today. It's good to be back trading again. You'd never know the Dow was down 82 points because we had a lot of low risk entries today. So good trading, and hopefully we'll see you soon.